So when you're trying to cut plastic, this is what you should look like with the cut and the finish. But if you're not getting this, but you are getting this, there might be something wrong with your cutting edge on your tool bit. This can be easily solved with proper grinding. You do not want to have this spaghetti mess whipping around when you're cutting. Not only does it leave a pretty nasty finish, it's dangerous, it could whip. It will give you a taper. So, as soon as this whole plastic is cut from end to end, I'm going to show you how to remove that taper. This is how you remove taper. Here's your diameter on that end. Here's the diameter on the other end. So the difference of 4,000. Divide that by 2 is 2,000 offset taper. There's our indicator. And here's our tailstock. Alright, we're going to move that 2,000. It's hard to do with the camera and alright, and I have to go to the other side. Whoa, we jumped too much. So now we have to go back the other way. That's because I'm holding the camera. Can't do two things. Alright. So now I gotta go the opposite way. So here. Hey. 1, 2. That's 2,000. 1, 2. There it is. Go just a little bit. Get the needle. There it is. Perfect. 1, 2,000. That's how you take the taper out on the tailstock. Okay, what you see here on the tailstock, you have these set screws on both ends that when you pull or turn one end, you have to turn the opposite end the other way. So basically, it has sort of like a cam on the inside. This would cause the tailstock to move, therefore taking away your taper. Now, depending on if you're high on your taper or low on your taper, you can see there I marked it with a plus and minus. So this is just telling me which way the indicator needle should move. If it moves positive, it's because I'm oversized on one end. If I move on the minus side, that means I'm undersized on the taper on the other end. So I use this as a reference. So that's all this is. By adjusting the tailstock, you're able to remove the taper. So when you go and take a straight cut, it will not have any taper. Both ends will register the same diameter. Okay, as you see here, once you remove your taper, you can take your straight cut and finish the job. Here are a few other jobs I had to complete. Now, this plastic is UHMW. And you can see there's the print and a couple of other items. I used this vernier caliper to check it. There's the print that I'm working on right now. So I'd like to take this time to thank all the new subscribers that has caused me to get 71 new subscribers now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you very much. And I welcome you all to Skunkworks. I hope to show you more information better in machining, and I hope to get more viewers and more subscribers to the channel and help it make it grow. Thank you so much, and good night. Almost quitting time. This is how you make steel wool. Steel wool.